Let's review. An orchid attached to a coconut tree is example of A. Osmosis, B. Parasitism, C. Commensalism, D. Predation. Let's understand the concept of each of these choices. For osmosis, the key to remember is that water flows from the solution with the lower solute concentration into the solution with higher solute concentration. This means that water flows in response to differences in molarity across a membrane. For example, two containers of equal volume are separated by a membrane that allows free passage of water, but totally restricts passage of solute molecules. Solution A has 3 molecules of the protein albumin and solution B contains 15 molecules of glucose. Into which compartment will water flow, or will there be no net movement of water? Water will move from solution A into solution B because solution B has a higher concentration of particles than solution A. It doesn't matter that the albumin molecules in solution A are huge compared to the glucose molecules, osmotic flow depends on the concentration of particles, not on the size of the particles. For parasitism and commensalism, these are two of the symbiosis or ecological relationship between organisms of different species. Parasitism is a relationship between the two living species in which one organism is benefited at the expense of the other. The organism that is benefited is called the parasite, while the one that is harmed is called the host. On the other hand, commensalism is when one symbiont benefits, while the other is unaffected. And lastly, predation is a biological interaction where one organism, the predator, kills and eats another organism, its prey, as shown on the picture. Pick your answer. The relationship that can be seen between the orchid and trees is referred to as commensalism. In commensalism, one species is benefited while another remains unaffected. In this case, orchid is benefited as it gets support while coconut tree remains unaffected. So if your answer is C, you are correct. Follow us on social media for more updates.